Welcome to Singapore, an island country of Southeast Asia with a population of 5.6 million, boasting a futuristic build-out and houses a vivid spectrum of culture and ethnicity. In terms of quality of life, economy, management, infrastructure, with a naturistic cover all around, this country has grown beyond and ranks among the best country to live in or travel. Here are the tips and guides to travel around Singapore for 3 days. Good morning, and after a healthy breakfast, let's begin the day with a trip to nature in one of the UNESCO heritage sites through Singapore's Botanical Garden. With tropical climate, Singapore is usually sunny and bright. The garden is spread over a huge area of more than 200 acres and is more than 160 years old. It also has a lake in between. You can carry a mat to lay down and relax on the carpet-like green grass, or you can have a small potluck. Its naturistic beauty is definitely worth the time, and I would suggest you to spend your day in the garden and get blended with nature. And don't forget to carry an umbrella along with you. And after a blissful and tiring day with nature, it's time to call the day off with some shopping, and it's also one of the must things to be done in Singapore. So head towards Bugis Street for some of the best deals, or Orchid Road. Even if you're not into shopping, a trip to these places is highly recommended for the quality of the products and the variety, and also not to miss the street food of Singapore. After a tiresome day one, let's begin the day with an iconic spot of Singapore, the Sea Aquarium. It's the world's second largest aquarium in terms of water volume. It contains 45 million liters of water and more than 100,000 marine animals of over 800 species. It houses the world's largest collection of manta rays, Indo-Pacific dolphins, hammerhead shark, spider crab, and a lot more uncommonly exhibited species. On your next stop for the day, head towards the Singapore Flyer. With 165 meters in height and 30 minutes of one-time rotation, you can enjoy Singapore at every altitude. It has 28 capsules and carries 20 passengers in each one of it. With a viewing radius of more than 40 kilometers, you can sight Changi Airport, Sentosa Island, and even parts of Malaysia and Indonesia. But please be aware, you have to move in and out of the moving capsule and not the stranded one. And to end the day in a happening place like Singapore, you can always find some beautiful shows and performances happening around the Bay Area and the Merlion Park. On the beginning of the last day, we head towards the Singapore Zoo, spreading over a massive area of 69 acres. The zoo houses more than 300 species of animals. Enjoy the wildlife and its beauty, and also to experience the night safari in the zoo. And there comes the most iconic and the most touristic spot of Singapore, Gardens by the Bay. Keep the rest of the day in exploring this magnificent beauty and the mind-blowing architecture. Built over a humongous area of 250 acres, Gardens by the Bay is subdivided into Bay East Garden, Bay West Garden, Bay South Garden, Cloud Forest, Super Creek Grove, and a Flower Dome. And there is not even a single thing that you can afford to give a miss in Gardens by the Bay. And there are lots of activities that you can do in Singapore for free, like Macritchie Reservoir, Ridge Walk, Strolling and Mustafa Center, Museum, War Memorial, and many more. I will list down those in the description box. Get an unlimited travel pass for 3 days upon arrival in Singapore, and keep exploring the beautiful city on your leisure, and it's more beautiful in the evening.